Good evening, Saras. My name is Sarah Deidre Douglas, and I would like your vote for Regional Technology Corner. What I bring to the position. According to my Clifton strengths, I bring positivity, connectionness, responsibility, realtor, and one that I just didn't want to put on here was achiever. And as an achiever, you know, I stand out. So I feel very good about my life in general. And I apply all my energy, mentally and physically, to whatever job that I may be working on. By nature, I am will labor tirelessly to make sure that all of the technology works in the southern region. So that was one of them. My next one that I bring to the position is positivity. By nature, I'm always filled with hope. Every time I think about good things that I can accomplish in the coming months, years, or decades, I get happy. Therefore, I am positive about every Silver and Zeta Phi Beta sorority incorporated mighty southern region will be able to use technology, and I will be the one that will make that happen. And why is because of my next one, which is called responsibility. I am very likely to be hardwired to do exactly what you say and what I would do. So if I'm given a task, I'm going to make sure it's done. My word is my bond, as they will say, according to the Cliff Districts. And I am a realtor. I am one of those people that believe that keeping it real, telling a person how you feel, being reasonable, meeting them where they are, is considered one of my better personalities, personally and professionally. So please vote for me. I post a sign that says no energy vampires are allowed. So I identify negative team members. I keep the lines of communications open, and I have no problem with putting them off the bus for being negative, and I have no problem with putting them off the bus for being negative. I said it twice. It's correct. So please vote Deirdre Douglas, Regional Technology Coordinator.